How to sell crypto on Huobi Exchange. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. From the main dashboard, tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a list of available trading pairs. Next, choose the trading pair you want to sell. For example, Bitcoin or USDT or Ethereum or USDT, depending on which crypto you want to convert into USDT or another currency. Once you have selected the pair, tap on the Sell tab at the top of the trade screen. Now enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can choose between limit order to set your own price or market order to sell instantly at the current market price. After entering your preferred amount and confirming the order type, tap on the Sell button to complete your transaction. Once the order is processed, your funds will appear in your spot wallet as USDT or the selected trading currency. You can then choose to hold, trade, or withdraw your balance anytime. Now you know how to sell crypto on Huobi Exchange. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.